On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the Maven so that you can access it on the command line. Just write on the Google, download Apache Maven, and then you go to this download, and then choose based on your operating system and also the running type of the processor. But here I'm going to choose this one. This is a archive zip file, this one. And I'm going to click this. Okay, now it's downloaded, and then let's go to the folder where it's downloaded here, and then I copy this, easy, or I cut it. Then I go back to the system program files, this one, and then you see here we have Apache or other programs like Java. So I'm going to paste it here, and it's going to ask me this: you need to provide administrator permission to move to this folder. Then I say continue, and then I have it here, and then I extract it by using this default program, and I'm going to say extract here, and yes, and then it's here, and then we go in here, we go to the bin folder, and then from this bin folder just click here. This is Windows 10, click this, and then copy, and then now we have to go to the system variable, and the way you go there, you maybe just write the environment variable search, and then you go get here, or either ways you either go to the system, right click and go to the system, and then you can also search here environment variables for your account, and then you get here. So the easiest way, if you're using Windows 10, just go to the search and type system environment. So it will bring this edit system environment. Then you click this, you have this, and then you click environment variables, and then here you can there's user variables for the name, which is the name of this PC, and also the system variables, Python and other programs here. So first of all, I'm going to add this, the path, edit, and then new, and then I pick the bin, this one that I copied, and I paste it here. You see it's here, and then okay, and then okay, and then from here I can also add the variable, and it's going to be Maven home, and this is it's important because some software, when they need this variable, they have this, they read this variable, they have this variable written on them as a standard. So you put this, then you know this is Maven home. So once they hit on this, then they are taken to this variable value, which is the same on the system value. When they check from the path, they find it here from the path, but I put here as a user variable, so you have it here. And then there's some also system they use M2 home, which I'm going to put it here, M with capital letter, M2 home, like that, and then bin. So there are some software that read this, and some software read this, Maven. Okay, you have it here, and here we have added here already on this path, and okay, then okay, and let's try. Go to CMD. I have my CMD here. I'm going to type Maven MVN version. It's saying Java home environment variable is not defined. So you can see if you don't have Java home variable, then this is not going to work. So we have to do the same thing on Java JDK and Java JRE. So we go back here where you install the Java. So you do the same thing for the Apache Maven, for the Apache Tomcat, and also for the Java. You download the Java JDK in Java RE, and then you go to the bin, and then you click this arrow here, and then copy this bin JDK, and then we go back to the system variables, and then we can do the same thing. We can just add the Java home as a standard is Java home, and then we paste this one here. Okay, because here you can see here it's asking you Java home environment variable is not defined. So that's how you set the Java home environment. And also you can also add you have to add this, actually this one, to the path, which is here, system variables. So you go to the path, scroll down here, path, then edit, and then you click new, and then we add this one here. And so we have to add go back here, you need to add this JRE bin, and then you click this arrow here, copy, and then we come back here, we edit, and new. So basically if you edit here, you see we have Java Apache Maven. Actually you need to add this first before this, but I just added this to show you that it was not going to be possible. But now it's going to be possible because I've added the Java JDK and Java RE. But usually you have to add this first and then this for it to work. So now you have to close this first, and then go back to CMD, and let's start with Java C to make sure that Java is working. Java JDK, Java C is not recognized. So let's see. And this is because I need to click OK and OK, and then we go back again and try again Java C. You can see now we get this Java C and print all these commands for whatever you want to do with on the command. So now we have to check the Java version, Java dash version. So you can see I'm using version 1.8, and then if I go to MVN version, still is asking me home should not should point on JDK, not on JRE. And actually I did this exactly. So let me, okay, now it's telling me Java environment variable is not defined properly or correctly, so and Java should point to JDK, not to JRE. So let's go back to see what we did wrong here. And environment variable, and then we check Java home. I'm going to delete this one from there and try it out if it's going to work, because we already have it here. I added on this directly to the path, if you remember, and it's down here. Both of them, they're here. And let's see if we try this time. Restart again CMD, and then first of all let's try Java C first. Yes, and Java version, yes, it's still working. And then let's try the MVN version. It's working, so you can run your project. If we try to use the maven command, let's say MVN clean, so you can see now the maven is working on the command line. You can install projects, scanning for projects and stuff like that. So thank you guys for the time, and hope you understand something from this. Bye bye.